A wonderful good day and a warm welcome to a new video. Today we're talking about this beautiful car. We're dealing with the following problem, and it's all centered around this product. Injector cleaner. That's what I received from Liqui Moly, which must have been at least 2 years ago by now, maybe even longer. I just didn't know how to use it perfectly and for which car. And what kind of problem we're dealing with, you'll see after the intro, and let's get started. The problem is that when we start the car, we occasionally have the issue where the engine jerks and stutters. I was told that this here, a wind, causes the valves to get quite dirty often. And the injectors as well, and this cleaner is supposed to help when you add it. There's also a separate valve cleaner available, but for now, we're trying this one first. I want to show you both in cold and warm conditions how it jerks, and we'll see if we notice any difference in how the engine behaves. That's why the camera is going to come to the front, and then we'll take a closer look at it. We'll let the engine warm up. It's the Citroën C4, which I think I forgot to mention earlier. It's an older model, but it's been reliable so far, except for this occasional issue. So you can definitely feel that it's running a bit rough. Let's see how it behaves once it's fully warmed up. Now you can feel it a bit more, it's already a bit warmer. So every now and then he makes these sudden bursts. I truly hope that comes through clearly on the camera. Let's turn it up more. Yes, this is what it looks like. Then we'll try it out to see if it improves. So, suitable for all petrol engines. The dosing unit is sufficient for up to 70 liters of fuel, and its effect can last for a driving distance of 2,000 kilometers. Alright, let's pour this stuff in and see if we can notice any difference in how it performs overall. Because I actually wanted to do a completely different test with it. I was waiting for a motor where I could properly take out the nozzles, and that we could take a look at the spray pattern to see if anything changes, but until now I either haven't had the time, or something else came up, and that's why I thought let's just go ahead and test it here now. You can also still see all the dust that's been sitting here for a long time, just waiting around for this moment. Yeah, so now just moving on as usual with the video. It's going to take a while for me until the car has driven around. And yeah, then we'll test the whole thing in the schools. Good day. Or rather, for you guys, the video just keeps on playing without any interruptions. It's about the Citroën where we added the Liqui Moly product. And we're in the middle of a week where it's unusually hot. Yeah, they've been driving around with it, and I wanted to record a video now to show that the engine is running smoothly and efficiently again, all thanks to this specific Liqui Moly product. I wanted to check it out together with you. They said everything is fine now. And so the 1,000 kilometers must have been covered by now, or maybe slightly less. Yeah, let's start this. And then we'll see. Hold on, I'll just set that up for you. So he's definitely running a lot smoother now, I'd say. I'm not sure how much of that you can actually pick up through the camera's audio feed. Especially in this weather. What do we have, 32 degrees? Yeah. Alright, then we can turn it off again. Yes, and this is what it looks like. Leave a comment below with your suggestions on how we could test this Liqui Moly product even more effectively. Because, well, this doesn't really feel like a proper test to me, but maybe I'm also not sure how to best convey whether the product works or not. For example, there was some jerking and now it's less or even completely gone. And yeah. You'll say, keep driving, and if the warning light comes on, you'll be informed. Otherwise, everything seems fine for now, in my opinion. Still, I'd love to hear your thoughts on how we could improve this test or make it more convincing. Write me in the comments. Purchase links are down below in the video description. Let me know in the comments what you think about the product, whether you've already had a chance to try it out or not, and whether we should do more tests. Yeah, it's all good for now, and I'd say until we meet again next time. Bye everyone.